In a sunlit town, a shy librarian discovers her roar when a stray sneeze triggers an accidental flash mob. She narrates the chaos calmly, while patrons exchange puzzled glances, then join with improvised dance moves. A grumpy barista serves coffee with jazz hands, turning a routine morning into a tiny musical revolution. The librarian, microphone replaced by a weathered book, hosts a spontaneous storytelling duel between a cat and a chair. When the sun sets, laughter lingers like warm ink, promising more misfits turning ordinary days into comedy tonight.